Hey Gareth, can you tell me about sundew plants?
Sundews are a different kind of tilling plant.
It's a different kind of killing plant.
It actually kills insects.
Yeah, it does kill insects. How does it do that?
Well, its leaves, it has to get the juices to kill insects. Well, when the juices are gone, and that's how it kills insects.
And why does it need to kill insects?
Because that's what its favorite lunch is,
Yeah.
insects.
That's right. Its favorite lunch is insects. How come it can't just get its lunch from the soil like other plants?
Well, it's because it's a carnivore,
Well, that's true. Yep, it is a carnivore.
so it eats meat.
Yeah. Do you think the soil is good or bad where they live?
Well,
Do you think the soil has all the nutrients it needs?
no.
No. Yeah, probably not. Where do they live? Do you remember?
In a wet, boggy area.
That's right, wet, boggy areas. That's right.
They live in the same boggy areas that these flytraps live in.
That's right. Some of them do. You're right.
The Finn's flytrap is a carnivore too.
Yeah. How is it different? How is the Venus flytrap different than the sundew?
Well, it has 3 trigger hairs which allow it to snapshot.
Oh my goodness. What happens when it snaps shut?
But these kind of things, flytraps, only sleep together to digest insects.
To ingest the insects? Uh-huh. What happens after they're done with their meal?
They open up again.
That's right.
But when they're done with the meal, they can't open up because the juices are so in the leaves. They absorb the juices through their leaves.
Yeah, they absorb it through their leaves?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. That sounds like a pretty gory end if you're an insect.
But this kind of thing, flytrap, is the same as poison ivy.
It's the same as poison ivy?
Yes,
Oh.
it's poisonous too.
Oh my goodness, I've never heard of such a thing.
See, it's poisonous.
Oh.
It's poisonous to insects.
Oh, I see.
It's poisonous to insects.
Yeah, in that way, I guess they're kind of the same. Although I'm not really sure you'd call a Venus flytrap poisonous.
But we call this thing flytrap poisonous.
Oh, the one that you're talking about right now?
But they call this thing flytrap poisonous.
Oh.
They call this thing flytrap poisonous because it's poisonous because it makes this thing flytrap doesn't digest flies but makes a terrible scratch on insects.
Oh, it gives him a really bad scratch. Is that kind of like the stinging tree in Australia?
Yes.
Yeah. Well, that sounds like a whole new different kind of plant that I have never heard of before. Sounds very interesting.
But it's very dangerous. That's another dangerous growth. The singer sundew
The stinger sundew. Oh my goodness.
of California.
The stinger sundew of California. Oh, wow. We'll have to keep an eye out for that when we're in California. Does it sting people or just insects?
Well, people say that it killed birds flying on it.
Oh. Was that true or was that a myth?
That's true.
Oh my goodness, that must be a really scary plant.
Because it's poisonous to birds.
Oh my goodness. Wow. All right, well, thank you for telling us all about carnivorous plants, Gareth. Can you say bye-bye? All right.